Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum guys. My name is Muhammad Aryan Ali and today we will learn about JavaScript DOM. In simple words, the document object model meaning DOM is a way for web browsers to understand and interact with the structure of a web page. Think of the DOM as a tree where each part of the web page like paragraphs, images and buttons is a branch of leaf. This tree-like structure allow you to use programming languages like JavaScript to change the web page, such as updating text, changing styles, or adding new elements without having to reload the entire page. Like this, we can use the DOM. In DOM, we use CSS, JavaScript, and HTML together. This is called DOM. So we will write our one example, then we will understand it how it works. So to write DOM, we need an HTML file. We can create separately files of JavaScript and HTML, but I will write all code, entire code in only one file of HTML. Like here, I will write the full structure of HTML by Shift and 1. I will press enter so the basic structure of HTML will be written in the VS Code. So now here I have to write my code. So I will make a paragraph and I will give it a ID. You can give class to an ID too, but I will give here ID. I will give here demo like this. I will write here a equal to sign like this. I will give its ID demo, and then here I will write hello world like this. Now here I will create a button, and now we are going to use here some events. In next classes we will learn about events properly. Here just we are using events. In next lectures we will learn about events. So I will write here on click. On click is an event, which meaning is on click meaning by clicking you have to do this function. It is a function, it's a JavaScript code. I will write here on click, then here I will write one code that change text. I will write here change text. I guess I will write change text. I will capitalize the T, change text. Then I will write here two parentheses that it's a function for that purpose, to show it like it's a purpose. This change text is just written by us. It is not anything inside a JavaScript. I have just named it because here will be an hello world paragraph on the screen and we will press this button, so this will change. I can change to this text like change text press. I can write the text or change anything, but I have written here change text. So now in button I will write here change text, meaning it's a button. It will tell that you have to change the text. It would be written there. Now I will write here script to write our JavaScript here, and I will create a function like this, and now I will name the function this change text. This one I will name it like change text like this, and then here I will write my starting bracket curly braces like this. Now here I will use some important things to remember, that document dot get element by id. Why I written this document dot get element by id? Get element id by id meaning is that we want that element or that things what is in that id, and I have created an id known as demo. So I will write here parenthesis like this, and here I will write my id demo like this. Get element by id capitalize. We have to take care of this too, but VS Code is some advanced, so it will give you suggestions so you can use it easily. Now here I will write text content like this. Dot text content method you have to use here. Now I will write here equal to sign, then I will write my anything here what I want that it should be replaced with this hello world. Like here I will write text changed. I guess I will write text is changed, meaning When I will press this button, so this hello world will change to the text changed like this. Here we have used document. Document meaning it will print in our web page. If I will write console, so it will print in our console. If we are using here documents, it will print on our browser. Then document dot get element by ID. It is a method in JavaScript to take the ID elements like this. ID element is this paragraph hello world. So it will come and dot text content method I have used here, and then here I have given my that text which should be replaced with hello world. So now I will use live server to go on my browser. I will, as you can see, here is hello world. Now it's printed and here's our button. When I will click it, this hello world should change to the text changed paragraph. I will click, so as you can see, text changed. It's printed here. I will refresh, so as you can see, actually it is hello world, but when I will click the button, so it will change. So like this we can use DOM with HTML. Like basically DOM meaning is that to change the HTML content by using JavaScript. This is a very simple example of DOM. So now we will come to our other example. So I will remove this here. I will remove. So now we will write our other example that. So now we will change the color of the text. So what I will do here, I will like bring that back, because then I will keep this paragraph and button here. So here is what my button is same, as you can see that hello world, everything is that same. But here now I want to do something. In this change text place I will write change color. By my choice I'm writing change color. I will capitalize the C because it will look some good. Now here I will change the button name to change color like this. Now here I will write my JavaScript that function. I will first write here script tag. Here I will write function like this, and its name would be change text, change color. Sorry, I will keep its name change color because we have named our button like event name is change color, so we will use function name to change color, then it will work. So here I will write document like same document dot get element by IDs, same we are doing. Then here I will write demo because our this paragraph ID is demo. I will write here demo. Then dot style. Dot style method is that we want to change the style of this paragraph or this element. Then dot color, getting in the style we want to change its color, and I will write here equal to, and here I will write my color in the code. Like if I want red like this, I will write here red, and I will some increase the size, and it will be properly visible. Okay, so as you can see here is I have written this code red, so it will my text will change to the red. So I will go in the browser, I will refresh. So as you can see here hello world is came, and if I will click this button, so it is now black, so it will change to red. Now we will use it. It's not changing because its meaning is that we have did some issue in the code, so we will look at which is the issue. So as you can see our change color and every ID is okay. So here first we will give it a style also if necessary. I will give it a style paragraph, I will give style that black, so it would be by default black color. Black colored it would be by default. And now I will go to the browser. It is not changing, so we will check that here we have used dot style. Okay, I understand. we didn't written this demo in the codes. We need to write this demo in the codes. So now I will go and now it will change. Look, as you can see, I will zoom it. As you can see, I will refresh the page. So the color is black. And now when I will click the button, so it is now red. So like this, we can use our DOM in styles too to change the HTML content. So now we will come to our other example that. So now we will use hiding and showing. This would be some complex example. So we will use our other example that image changing source. Like now in this example we will change the image source and it is very simple. I will tell you how. I will remove this function. Here I will cross this. Now I will write img tag meaning image tag, and here I have some images, these two images, this HTML image and here is JavaScript image, and we will replace these images by pressing the button. So in src in src I will write my default image, like which image I want. So I will write image, it's my first image, default image. I will give here id to it and I will give id image like this. I will give it id image. In alt I will give image, it's not important to give but I will give here. And now here I will give width, I will give 200 width and it will look some properly and it will be some big, so it will be visible properly. Now here I will create a button and here I will use on click method, on click, then here I will name it change image like this. In the button I will write change the image like this. Now in script I will write function, I will create a function here. Its name would be change image like this. Now I will, in this parameter area I will keep it empty, and now here I will write document. It's too much simple. And here I will write get element by id like this. I will write get element by id and here I will give my id image, this one, because our image default image is in this id, so I have given my id here. And I will write dot src. src is also a style, not a style but it's a method in HTML. src meaning our source, our link of that image. So this image is of HTML, image dot jpeg is the HTML image. Now I will write here dot src is equal to image 2 like this dot jpeg. I will look that I keep look, as you can see, image2 dot jpeg is my JavaScript image. So now when I will go to browser, so I will I will decrease the size. As you can see, here is our HTML image, and when I will click this button, so this image will change to the JavaScript image like this. I press the image, now I press the button, so now it is changed to the other image. Now I will refresh it. So as you can see, it is HTML. HTML image, if I will click on this button, so it will change to JavaScript like this. So it is too much simple to use DOM. So thank you guys. This video only this much. We'll meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.